So, I believe that films are a very important social medium. They have an innate responsibility to raise awareness on important issues and let society know, mirror the reality of what's happening, which is why I believe that, this film is a commendable effort. I think it's a very important issue. Millions of children across the world and in India are suffering day in and day out. They're going missing, they're being deprived of their childhood. They're being deprived of food, of basic amenities, health. A lot of them are kidnapped even, so they are lured away from their homes by the promise of a better life, and they are abused horribly in horrifying ways. So, which is why I think that the fight essentially is against mindsets and traditions. We've all gotten comfortable with the idea of a child serving us in a tea shop, or a child working in our houses, and we don't really question where that child is coming from. What the impact is going to be on him or her, or on his parents or his family, and even the impact on society. What's going to happen when we have an entire generation of children who have not gone to school? Will they ever be able to contribute to society? These are questions that we don't stop to answer or even think about, which is where I think that films come in. They're a very important medium to raise awareness, and we really support Vijay's effort, and we wish him all the best.